9.5 QD stand mixer, Dabir 7-speed 660W electric kitchen stand mixer, tilt head food mixer, home standing mixer with dough hook, whisk, beater, splash guard and mixing bowl for baking. The 9.5 QD stand mixer from Dabir is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that can make your baking tasks much easier. Here are some features and benefits of this stand mixer. Large capacity. With a 9.5 QD mixing bowl, this stand mixer can easily handle large batches of dough, batter, or other ingredients. You can mix up to 7 pounds of dough at once, making it perfect for baking bread or other large baked goods. Powerful motor. The mixer features a 660W motor that can handle tough mixing tasks with ease. It has 7 speed settings, allowing you to adjust the speed to your desired level for different recipes. Tilt head design. The mixer has a tilt head design, which allows you to easily access the mixing bowl and attachments. This makes it easy to add ingredients or scrape down the sides of the bowl while mixing. Multiple attachments. The mixer comes with 3 different attachments, a dough hook, whisk, and beater, that can be used for different tasks. The dough hook is perfect for kneading bread dough, the whisk can be used for whipping cream or egg whites, and the beater is ideal for mixing cake batter. Splash guard. The mixer also comes with a splash guard that helps prevent ingredients from splattering out of the bowl during mixing. This keeps your kitchen clean and makes cleanup easier. Overall, the Dabir 9.5 QD stand mixer is a great choice for anyone who enjoys baking and wants a high-capacity, powerful mixer that can handle a variety of tasks. Its multiple attachments and speed settings make it versatile enough to handle a wide range of recipes, while its tilt head design and splash guard make it easy to use and clean.